Okay, we're at the back, south side of the house. I'm on a ladder. I'm not going much farther. But that's apron flashing that's loose right there. It's composition shingle. It's medium hue, kind of a dark gray. Just wanted to call your attention to this. And the shingles come in and they cascade over the rain gutter and they bring the water in. And you have underlayment under the shingles, and it cascades over the drip edge flashing, like that, over the drip edge flashing. And then the drip edge flashing is supposed to cascade over the edge of the rain gutter. This rain gutter is supposed to be installed beneath this. It doesn't go over, under, because any water that comes up underneath here is going to come here and get stuck up here on your fascia board. So the rain gutter was improperly installed in front of the drip edge flashing.